If you have a number of clips in your timeline and you are wondering where can I find the original clip, there are 3 things that you can do. 1. To find your original clip in the source viewer, press the letter F, provided that your keyboard shortcuts are set up. This will reveal the clip in the source viewer so you can scrub to find different sections. 2. You can right or control-click the clip and select Reveal in Project. This will reveal the clip in the project bin of Premiere. 3. You can right or control-click the clip and then select Reveal in Finder. This will reveal the clip at the root level of where it is stored. Hopefully it will be stored in a well-organized folder. Check out Wallabysode episode number 15 if your files are unorganized.